It's a little late, but I'm gonna get another channel episode in with you guys, and you're tuning in to another episode of the TJJ Show. And as long as you're in my presence, you'll be guided and protected at all times. So guys, protect your energy at all times and at all costs. Because there's a lot of people in this world, more than not, that are just looking to get a piece of you and the shit that you got going on. And they're not even there just to chill, or to hang out, or to be even, and to have fun together. They're just looking to come into your safe space to grab a hold of some shit that you've got going for yourself, because they're not taking care of their own shit. Protect your energy, especially the chosen ones out there. It's important that you protect your energy at all costs. Because if you don't, it's going to cost you all your energy that you got. There's a lot of stingy people in this world right now, guys. More than ever. And in the day and age that we're living in today, we got access to everybody, and everybody has access to you. So you got to be super careful, because people aren't dumb. People are just lazy. I think everybody's got a little bit of brains, but not everybody wants to go to work. And in that matter, they're going to come and try and take the things that we all work for so very hard every single day. So guys, you got to protect your energy at all costs, because they're coming for it. They're coming for that, and they're not there to be even. They're not there to be your friend. They're there to take. They're there to take, and it's nothing else besides it, and I've dealt with it my whole life. People just can't have their shit together to come in as a good, fair friend and just have a good time doing something. It's all about stealing. It's all about this. It's all about that. It's all about taking the good energy that you carry. It's all about them putting their toxic bullshit all over you. Complaining, hating, moaning, bitching, moaning. It's shit like this, guys. If you guys can't have friends that are just on an even playing field with you guys, you or them are not trying to take from each other. Your guys' energy is all within yourselves. You know what I'm saying? This is how it has to be. Because if you're friends with someone, they're just trying to take from you, it doesn't mean you can't help a friend out. It doesn't mean you can't give them advice or maybe buy them something if it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. Let's say they're usually good, you know what I mean? They're usually always good. Maybe it's just one time or something like that. That's no big deal. But if you're doing it all the time, now you got a problem on your hands. And this is a trap that I fell into myself with a lot of fake friends that I used to have. And it does not end well. Stop feeding them and see what happens. You're going to realize you've been watering a lot of dead plants. And this is what it comes down to. I have friends that I've had before that if we were to talk right now, we'd still be cool for sure. It's just that when you grow up, people have different priorities. You got to start taking care of yourself. You got to start working hard for the things you want. And then usually when everyone's got their shit together, people start to come back together and stuff like this. Because when you're young and you're in your early teens, up to your late teens, you don't really have that much responsibilities, you know? You got a lot of free time. You got a lot of free space to think, to do whatever you want. A lot of shit starts happening in between the age of about 18 to 30. Right into that age right there, shit starts getting real, man. You gotta watch out in that age, because this is where people start doing really bad, because it's time to grow up. And they're gonna try to start to take a lot of shit from you, because they're not doing well in their own life themselves. So guys, make sure you're 100% aware of the energy that's coming around you. Is it an even playing field? If you were to buy something for them, would they buy something for you if you didn't have the dollar to get it at this time? Tell yourself this question. Because if not, you got a fake friend on your hands and they should be eliminated from your life immediately, without an explanation at all. This is just how it is. Because these people are going from person to person to person to person to doing this shit. And they will stay right along with you as long as you're watering their dead plant. They can't get water themselves, you know what I'm saying? They're dependent on everybody else to do something for them. Because they don't have an alpha male attitude. They have a beta male attitude. Alpha males are like lions. We hunt every single day for the shit that we want. We are hunters. We don't stop. When we sleep, we have one eye open. It's that type of shit. We're on our grind at all times. We're doing something at all times, being productive. You can't be hanging around with people that are bullshitting their lives. You just can't. Because they're so caught up in having a good time. There comes a time where you gotta start putting in work. We all like to have a good time, but are you putting in that work? Do you deserve to have a good time? Do you deserve to go on that vacation? Do you have enough money to go on that vacation 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 times? Or do you just have enough money to go on that vacation once and now you're flat broke again? Tell yourself this. So guys, make sure you are aware of who is coming around you, because we all just want real people and real friends and real family members in our lives. We don't want this bullshit going on around us. We get it. We grew up. We are working our asses off. We are busting our asses every single day. This is fun to us. We don't need to get drugged up and go and do all this bad shit all the time to escape from this life that we hate. They hate their lives because they're not willing to work hard enough to get the life they want. You have to do it. There comes a time where you're going to stop playing around and start investing every single ounce of yourself into what you truly want. It's a good time in itself. You're going to have a much better time doing this than doing something you absolutely hate for the dollar and then self-sabotaging because you don't like that. Now you got to do something else like that and sabotage. This is the routine that people get in, guys. And it's bad. It's horrible. You just gotta bring something out of yourself to really get focused on your path and on your mission, because you're gonna enjoy it. Hard times, tough times are gonna come, but as long as you love what you do, it's gonna carry you through, no matter what. Imagine hating what you do and having hard times on top of that. This is the shit that people fall into. That is horrible. Just because you don't want to come up to that next level to really put it in gear, to give up this life. Because you want to continue to have fun every single day, and you can't give up some days to bust. But anyways, guys, I'm going to cut this video short. I'm getting my message across here. Protect your energy at all costs and make sure you are 100% aware of who is coming around you at all times. Cutting this video off. I'm out, guys. Have a great evening.